Morning, dear students, welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 13, aeroplanes. Aeroplanes you all know very well, right? Now let's start. Orville and Wilbur Wright, the two brothers, made the first successful flight. Okay, the two brothers Orville and Wilbur Wright make the first successful flight where near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina on 17th December 1903. Okay, modern airplanes are divided into here five is not there, here four main types. Okay, first is commercial aviation planes. Second, general aviation planes. Then third one is military planes and fourth one is seaplanes. Okay, now look here. Here you have a diagram of an aeroplane with its parts. Let's see. Here this part is known as windscreen or windshield. This part is known as door. These are the windows. Okay, this is fuselage or main body. This one is stabilizer vertical or fin. This is stabilizer but it is horizontal. This is wing or main plane. This is engine with engine removed. It is now called an airframe. What is the meaning of airframe? Means external covering of an aircraft. Okay. Now let's start the here the modern airplanes are divided into four main parts. First part is commercial aviation planes. Commercial aviation planes are large planes for carrying passengers. It is used for carrying passengers and sometimes cargo. What is the meaning of cargo here? Goods carried on a ship, okay, aircraft, etc. So goods, you can say cargo means goods. It is also known as airliners. Okay. Now second is general aviation planes. General aviation planes. General aviation planes have 2 to 6 seats and one engine. It has only 2 to 6 seats and one engine. General aviation covers a large range of activities, both commercial and non-commercial, including flying clubs, agricultural aviation. Agricultural aviation means the branch or task in agriculture. It is employed to protect, control weeds, destroy undesirable vegetation. Okay. Light aircraft manufacturing and maintenance. Okay. It is also used for manufacturing and maintenance of light aircraft. Okay, now military planes. By the name it is clear that it is used by the military. Military planes are used by the military for what? To attack enemies on the ground or in the air. Okay, it is also used to carry equipments. What is the meaning of equipments here? The necessary items for a particular purpose. And soldiers to the battlefield. Okay, now the next one is seaplanes. A seaplane is a powered fixed wing aircraft capable of taking off and landing on water. Seaplanes are of three types. First is float planes, second is flying boats, and third is amphibians. Okay, here we have a two picture and something is written over here about these pictures in this corner. The world's oldest airline is the Dutch carrier KLM. It was the world's oldest airline. What is the name? Dutch carrier KLM. And it was established in the year 1919. Then Qantas was founded in 1920. This airline was founded in 1920, and the name is Qantas. Okay, and something is also written over here. Okay, what is that? Every single day means every day more than 1 lakh flights carrying 10 million passengers take off from airport around the world. Okay, now let's move to our next lesson. Lesson number 14. What is the name of the lesson? Strange but true. What is the meaning of strange here? Strange means unusual or surprising. Okay, now let's start. Some people in this world manage to baffle. What is the meaning of baffle here? Baffle means confuse our mind and send us into deep thought as to how they can simply exist in the same world and yet be so incredibly bizarre. What is the meaning of incredibly here? To a great danger. And what is the meaning of bizarre here? Means a very strange or unusual. Okay, read the description to know about some bizarre people of the world. Okay, now here look at this picture. It is a picture of a person whose name is Lucky Diamond Rich. Lucky Diamond Rich. Lucky Diamond Rich or just Lucky Rich is a New Zealand man who is the world's most tattooed person. Okay, tattooed means picture practice of making a design on the skin by printing or staining. Okay, you know very well, right? Tattoo. A title formerly held by Tom Leppard. Okay, the title formerly held by Tom Leppard. He has tattoos covering his entire body. He is having tattoos on his entire body. Okay, including the insides of his eyelids, mouth, ears and foreskin. Okay, now look here at this picture. Here it is a picture of a person whose name is Ditko Swara. Ditko Swara, the tree man. He is also known as tree man. Why he is known as tree man? Ditko Swara has a rare fungal infection. He is having a rare fungal infection in his body, and the name of that fungal infection is epidermodysplasia verruciformis. Epidermodysplasia verruciformis. Once a simple construction worker. Okay, once a simple construction worker. He was a simple construction worker. This bark-like warts begin constantly growing around Ditko Swara's body. Okay, that's why he is known as the tree man. Okay, now the next picture is of a person whose name is Michel Lotito. Michel Lotito was long considered a medical mystery. Why he was long considered a medical mystery? Due to his unusual ability to chew and swallow. He is able to chew or swallow blades, glasses, cutlery, you can say cutting utensils like knife and metal parts. He is able to chew and swallow all this type of things. That is why. Okay, now the next picture is of Eric Sprague. He is also known as Lizard Man. Okay, students, Lizard Man. Eric Sprague loves reptiles so much that he had his body modified, whole body modified to look like reptiles with the help of tattoos. Okay, he also has bifurcated tongue. What is the meaning of bifurcated? Means divide into two parts, you can say. Tongue that looks like that of a snake. Okay, now the next picture is of Mark Henry. Mark Henry, the strongest man. Okay, he is the strongest man. He started joining strongman competitions when he was 14 years old. When he was 14 years old, he started joining the competition which is related to strongman. Okay. And he became really successful in that field. In fact, he is the winner of every competition that he joined in. Means if he joined any competition, strongman competition, he is the winner of that competition. Now look here at the last picture. It is a picture of Carlos Haffey. Carlos Haffey, the man with half head. You are able to see the picture. This man having only half head. Okay. Why he is having only half head? Carlos Haffey Rodriguez got into a dramatic car accident. He got into a dramatic car accident and lost a large portion of his brain and skull. Okay. Due to the car accident, he lost a large portion of his brain and skull. That is why he is known as Carlos Happy. Okay, students, watch video properly and thank you.